Okay guys, I'm in Mount Arait, and that is my guide, Kuya Chris, Kuya Chris. Okay, this is my guide today. Okay, and I'm going to the starting point. Okay, this is the starting point of the trail. Okay, that's my guide. Let's go. I'm in Barangay. What is this, Kuya? Barangay Banyo.
Banyo.
Barangay Banyo, Arayat, Pampanga. Okay. Actually, it's a round trek. Okay. And I picked the pay for the beginners. Okay. Like me. Okay. And I'm alone today. Probably the another second is 1,500. Okay. And probably if I'm with somebody or I'm in a group, I will choose the trail. Okay. But for now, I'm alone and I like going alone like a pilgrim. Okay. Let's go, and it's hot. Okay. I'm praying that today the rain fall. I always like on a mountain hike like this, I want training. Okay. Only in Rizal, I don't want training there. You know why? Because it's cold. Okay, anyway, I like raining while hiking. Okay, probably not in Pulag. Okay, okay. All the mountain hiking in the land, not on Benguet or somewhere. I don't want. I like raining. Okay, don't want training in Pulag. Okay. Anyway, I'm out and I'm going now to the peak of the Kuya. What's the peak? What's the peak?
South Peak.
South Peak only. Okay. So going to South Peak only. Okay, that's 700. Okay, price is 700. Okay, pesos. Okay, petot. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna pay later. Okay, after I went back. Okay, so good luck to me, my guide, and I'm out. Okay, let's go. It's hot, super hot. Peace. I'm out to burn the fat. Okay, during the Holy Week. That is a 4-day vacation. Okay, in here in the Philippines. Okay, so I'm out. Let's go burn the fat. Okay, peace. I'm out.